Listen carefully because you may hear this sound hundreds of times. You may hear it while I'm walking. You may hear it while I'm cooking. You may hear it while I'm working. You may hear it while I'm sitting by the river, riding in the car, building a website, drinking coffee, or simply living my life. The location will change. The clothes will change. The background will change. My life will change, but the message will remain the same because I am going to use this one video message until I earn my first $1 million. Not because one video guarantees $1 million, not because money appears just because you post, but because most people keep changing their message before the world has had enough time to remember it. They make one video today, they chase another idea tomorrow, they change their business next week, they change their keyword, they change their offer, they change their website, they change their direction, and then they wonder why nobody remembers them. I have decided to do the opposite. I want to become known for one simple idea. One video, one website, one keyword, one inbox, one AI employee, one offer, one system. Let me explain. Every business has a story. Every business has a solution. Every business has something it wants people to see, understand, buy, book, join, or share. But most businesses make the process too complicated. They send people to one page for information, another page for prices, another page for booking, another app for messages, another number for calls, another place for payments, another place for follow-up. The customer becomes confused, the business owner becomes overwhelmed, and opportunities quietly disappear. I believe there is a simpler way. Start with one video that explains who you help, one video that explains the problem you solve, one video that shows what makes your offer different, one video that tells people exactly what to do next. That video does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear. It needs to be honest. It needs to sound like you. Then put that one video on one simple website, not a website with 20 pages and 100 places to click. One focused website, one page, one video, one offer, one clear next step. The website becomes the home of your message. Your social media videos bring people to it. Your conversations bring people to it. Your business cards bring people to it. Your QR code brings people to it. Your live videos bring people to it. Your advertisements bring people to it. Everything points to one place. Then give people one keyword, not 10 different instructions, not a complicated form, not a confusing sentence. One keyword, a word like how, a word like start, a word like video, a word like system. They comment it. They send it in a direct message, they text it, they say it on the phone. That one keyword starts one conversation, and every conversation goes into one inbox. Messages from Facebook, messages from Instagram, messages from your website, text messages, missed calls, new leads, old customers, people who are ready today, people who may be ready 6 months from now. One inbox, one organized place where opportunities are not scattered across your entire phone. Then one AI employee helps you respond, not to replace your personality, not to pretend to be human, not to pressure people, but to help answer common questions, to help start conversations, to help collect information, to help schedule appointments, to help follow up, to help your business respond when you are working, sleeping, cooking, walking, driving, taking care of your family, or living your life. Because a business should not stop functioning every time the owner puts down the phone. Then you connect one calendar. The person who is ready does not have to send 15 messages trying to find an available time. They can see the options. They can choose a time. They can book. Then you create one offer, something clear enough to understand quickly. What are you offering? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? What happens next? What does it cost? Why should someone act now? One clear offer will often travel further than 10 confusing offers, and then you connect everything inside one system. That is the idea. One video, one website, one keyword, one inbox, one AI employee, one calendar, one offer, one system. That is what I am building. That is what I am teaching. And that is what I want 1 million people to understand. You do not always need more. Sometimes you need fewer things working together. You do not need to become famous before you begin. You do not need thousands of videos before you begin. You do not need the perfect camera. You do not need the perfect body. You do not need the perfect background. You do not need to wait until your life looks impressive. You can start while walking. You can start while cooking. You can start while cleaning. You can start while sitting in your car. You can start during your lunch break. You can start with the life you already have. That is why you will see me using this same sound again and again. I am demonstrating the system while I explain the system. One message, many videos, different locations, different moments, one destination, and I want other people to do the same thing. Make one video that explains your offer. Turn the message into a reusable sound. Use that sound while you show different parts of your life, your work, your product, your service, your customers, your progress, and your journey. You do not have to deliver a new speech every day. You do not have to reinvent yourself every morning. Let the same clear message travel through hundreds of different moments. Someone may ignore it the first time. They may recognize it the 5th time. They may understand it the 20th time. They may trust it the 50th time. They may finally act when the time is right for them. That is what repetition does. Repetition is not always annoying. Confusing repetition is annoying. Empty repetition is annoying. But a clear message repeated with purpose becomes a brand. I'm not asking you to copy my face. I'm not asking you to copy my personality. I am asking you to copy the simplicity. Find your one message, create your one video, build your one website, choose your one keyword, connect your one inbox, set up your one AI employee, present your one offer, operate through one system, then keep showing up. Some people will use this structure to get more appointments. Some will use it to sell a service. Some will use it to grow a local business. Some will use it to build an agency. Some will use it to promote an affiliate offer. Some will use it to teach. Some will use it to build recurring revenue. Some will use it to finally stop losing leads in their direct messages. My own journey includes using Go High Level as the platform behind the system and participating in its affiliate program. That means when an eligible person joins through my referral and remains a paying customer, I may earn recurring commissions under the program's current terms. That is not guaranteed income. There are no guaranteed results. The platform is only a tool. The outcome depends on the offer, the effort, the audience, the execution, the follow-up, and the value delivered. But recurring income begins with recurring value. Help someone start, help them build, help them stay, help them win. And when people continue using a system that continues helping their business, the relationship can continue too. That is a different mindset from chasing one quick payment and disappearing. I want to build something people can use. I want to help ordinary people understand automation without making it sound complicated. I want to help business owners stop losing conversations. I want to help people turn one clear message into a functioning system. And I want to document the entire journey publicly, from wherever I am today to my first $1 million. You will see the locations change. You will see the quality improve. You will see the website evolve. You will see the system improve. You will see the mistakes. You will see the lessons. You will see the people who join. You will see the businesses that use it. You will see the journey in real time, but you will keep hearing the same foundation. One video, one website, one keyword, one inbox, one AI employee, one calendar, one offer, one system, and one person who refused to stop repeating a message simply because the world did not understand it immediately. Maybe you are hearing this for the first time. Maybe you have heard it 20 times. Maybe one day you will say you heard this sound before anyone knew what it would become. But today, I only need you to remember one thing. Your business does not need to begin with everything. It can begin with one clear video, one simple website, one easy keyword, one organized inbox, one helpful AI employee, one offer worth responding to, one connected system, one decision to start. My website is onevideowebsite.com. Visit it, watch the video, study the structure, then ask yourself, what is the one video that could explain my business? What is the one keyword people could use to start a conversation with me? What is the one offer I want to become known for? And what could happen if I repeated that message long enough for the right people to finally hear it? This is my one video, this is my one message, and I will keep using it until my first $1 million. When that day comes, the sound will not end. The next chapter will begin. One video, one website, one keyword, one inbox, one AI employee, one offer, one system, 1 million people who finally understand that building a business does not always start with more. Sometimes it starts with one. Visit onevideowebsite.com or comment the word one to create your one video website.